Hi there! In this tutorial, we'll be going over how to use out-of-the-box activities and how to create custom activity types. After watching this video, you'll be able to define the general activity settings and describe how to create and manage custom activity types. To begin, log into ThinkingCAP with full admin privileges. From the hamburger menu in the top left, expand Settings. Click on Activities. The General tab has a few basic settings related to activities, including what types are usable on the branch, sorting, and filtering. The first setting is whether the activities on this branch will appear in child branches. This applies to the admin view as well as the learner view. When the second setting is enabled, the LMS will automatically generate the learning activity's unique code. The third setting, when enabled, allows you to edit both manually created and auto-generated activity codes. The fourth setting covers whether deactivated learners should be withdrawn from activities they have not yet completed. The types of learning activities allowed for this branch section determines which activity types can be created on the branch. This includes default and custom types. The remaining sections on this tab are about the Activities tab on the main Admin View Explorer page. They include what filters are on by default and how the activities are sorted. Go to the Custom Activity Types tab. This tab displays the custom activity types administrators have created. Custom activity types are based on default activity types, but can have their own names and default settings. Types that were created on the current branch can be edited or deleted on this page. Here, we will demonstrate the process of adding a new custom activity type. Click Add. This opens a modal window where you can add the custom activity type's name and description. Use the drop-down to select the default activity type the custom type is based on. This determines its format and how learners interact with it. The Save button will create the type. The new custom activity type will be added to the list. Refresh your browser page and go back to the General tab. The new activity type will appear in the Types of Learning Activities allowed for this branch section. Select it to allow its use on the branch. And that's how you create custom activity types in ThinkingCAP. Thank you for watching.